Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to write multiple lines in one cell in Excel. Click on the cell where you want to add your text. The cell will be highlighted with a border, and you'll see the cell reference appear in the name box at the top left. Now double-click inside that cell to enter edit mode. You'll see a blinking cursor appear inside the cell, and the border will change to show you're in edit mode. Type your first line of text. This can be anything you want on that first line. Here's the key step. To create a line break, press Alt plus Enter if you're on Windows. On Mac, press Control plus Option plus Return. When you press the line break shortcut, you'll see the cursor move down to a new line within the same cell. Now type your second line of text. It'll appear directly below the first line. You can repeat that line break step as many times as you need. Just press Alt plus Enter again to add another line, then type your text. When you're done, press Enter by itself to finish editing. Your multi-line text is saved. If your line breaks aren't showing up correctly, go to the Home tab, find the alignment group, and click the Wrap Text button. Once that's on, your line breaks will display properly, with each line appearing on its own row within the cell. The last thing you might want to do is adjust the row height so all your lines are visible. Double-click the bottom border of the row number on the left side. That's the line between the row numbers. The row will automatically expand to fit all your text. If you need to edit your multi-line cell later, just double-click it again and use Alt plus Enter to add or remove line breaks exactly where you need them. Excel cells can hold up to 32,767 characters, so you've got plenty of room if you need to add a lot of lines. Thanks for watching.